If the Crypto.com app isn't functioning correctly, here are steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Restart the app. Close the Crypto.com app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes this simple action can resolve minor glitches. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Crypto.com app installed on your device. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates and install them if available. Clear cache and data. If the app continues to malfunction, clear the cache and data for the Crypto.com app on your device. Go to your device's settings, find the App Manager or Applications section, locate Crypto.com and then clear the cache and data. Restart device. Restart your device to refresh the system. This can resolve temporary software issues that may be affecting the app's performance. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Crypto.com customer support for further assistance. They may provide specific troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue for further investigation.